Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $400 daily just by testing new apps. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel. And it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm at this website and the name of this website is beta testing. Now, I'm going to show you 2 websites, guys. So on this website, all you're going to be doing is testing apps, websites, and products. So once you come to this site, all you're going to do is click right here where it says join as beta tester. And as you can see here, it says early adopters join the beta testing community. Test exciting new products and get paid to give feedback for new apps, websites, and products. And you can sign up with your email right here. So let's scroll down here and see how it works. So you're going to be joining 200,000 plus early adopters across all demographic and interest groups. Now, the first thing you're going to be doing is test new apps, websites, and hardware. Then the second thing, you're going to complete tasks, give feedback, and bug reports. Then number 3, the best part, get paid. So you're going to earn $10 to $20 for most tests or even more. How does that sound, guys? Now, as you can see here, these are the companies that work with this website. And these are some big companies here. Look, Xerox, Typeform, New York Times. So you're going to be testing products from big time companies, testing apps and websites from big time companies, guys. Now let's look at the frequently asked questions right quick. So right here it says who is eligible to participate. You must be at least 18 years old. You must speak English, and you must own a PC or Mac or any devices required for a specific test. Now, how much money can you make? We already talked about that. And this is probably another thing you need to know is how are your payments made? And it's made through PayPal. So you need to have PayPal, guys. If you don't have PayPal, you can go to paypal.com and sign up. Absolutely free to sign up. And only thing with this website, guys, it's going to take 7 days before you get paid. That's the only issue with this right here. But other than that, this is a very reputable website. It's been around for a while. You will get paid to test. When I started off trying to make money online, I started off with this website. So it's been a while. Maybe a couple of years. But I did make some money doing this website. All right, guys, if you're ready to go ahead and start making money on this website, go to betatesting.com. Now, let me go to this other website so you can make even more money testing apps. Okay guys, I'm at the second website, and the name of this website is User Testing. Now, I have talked about this website before, but I wanted to go ahead and include it in this video because it's one of the best websites out there if you want to make money testing apps. It's been around for a long time. So it says real-time feedback from real customers wherever you work. So these are for people or customers or companies that want to get their website or apps tested. But when you come here, all you're going to do is click right here where it says get paid to test, because you're going to be a tester. It's going to take you to this page right here. It says top brands want to hear from you. Get paid to share your opinions and experiences. Make things you care about better. And all you have to do is put in your email to sign up, just like the last one. And let's scroll down here and see how it works. So influence the biggest brands, latest technologies, and innovative companies while earning a little extra spending money in your spare time. So number one, you're going to sign up. So apply to join our global community by taking a practice test. Number two, you're going to take tests, give feedback on the products that you love and use today. And number three, the most important thing, get paid. Earn $10 for every 20-minute test you complete and even more for interviews. So guys, combining this website and the beta testing website, you can easily make hundreds of dollars daily, guys, because every day or every other day, you're going to have some tests to do. You're going to make money from that test. All right, as we scroll down here, as you can see, they work with big companies too. You got Home Depot, Facebook. Matter of fact, when Facebook first started, they used this website so they can get feedback on their website. Got Wayfair, CBS, Adobe, Alaska, Ford. So these are big Fortune 500 companies, guys, use this website. That's something else. Now, right here it says the amount of tests taken, over 3 million. Payments to participants in 2019 was over 1 million. And brands influence was 35,000. Now, as we scroll down here, we can see that this person right here named Tracy, she left a testimony. And it says here, I absolutely love user testing. I get to test new web and mobile sites and give my user experience, opinion, and recommendations to clients. So this person enjoys this website. They enjoy doing this. And we got some others right here. They gave their feedback and their review on this website. You can come here and check that out if you like. And let's look at the frequently asked questions. So let's look at one you probably really want to know, because this site is similar to the other one. So you got to be 18 years of age to start, have a PC or Mac and an internet connection. Only thing with this one, you have to take a test, and once you pass the test, then you start receiving websites and apps to test. And this one you get paid through PayPal. And we said before, you're going to get paid $10 for every 20 minutes. So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. If you're ready to start making money on this website, go ahead and go to usertesting.com. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about either one of these websites. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, if you're still watching this video, let me tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus is type this number that's going to pop up on the screen right now. Type it down in the comments. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I hit 6,000 subscribers. Okay guys, that's it. I really appreciate you guys' support. Road to 6,000. Let's get there, guys. We only have one more day. Let's get there in a day. I know we can do it, guys. I know we can do it because we're the grind family. We can do it, guys. Oh, one other thing before I go. I want to go ahead and give a shout out. I'm going to flash that comment across the screen right now. Thank you for your comment and hope you have subscribed to my channel. Really appreciate your support. Now, if you want to get a shout out, please drop a creative comment just like that one, and I might shout you out in my next video. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks again. Before I go, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.